Good morning, everyone. I am Arnella Cruz, and this is my presentation in Basic Calculus. For today's video, I will teach you the differentiation rules. We have 5 kinds of differentiation rule. This is our power rule, ang ating sum and difference rule, the product rule, quotient rule, and chain rule. Pero ang aking ituro sa araw na ito ay ang tatlong common rule. This is the power rule, sum and difference rule, and product rule. So we'll start to our power rule. Ang power rule po ay one of the most common rules of derivatives. If x is a variable and it's raised to a power of n, then the derivative of x raised to the power is derives as d over dx, x raised to the power of n equal nx raised to the power of n minus 1. Ayan po yung ating formula. So we have example. Our example is find the derivatives of x raised to the power of 4. So, what we need to do is i-distribute po natin, substitute yung ating given dun po sa ating formula. So, 4x raised to the power of 4 minus 1. So, yung 4 po ay ilalagay natin sa value ni n because ayan po yung sabi sa atin ng ating formula. So, our answer equal to 4x cubed. So, ayan po yung power rule. Ganyan lang po kadali ang ating power rule. Then, our next rule is sum and difference rule. Ano nga ba yung sum and difference rule? Sum and difference rule. If the function is the sum or difference of two functions, then the derivatives of the function is the sum or difference of the individual function. So we have our formula. Yung ating formula po dito ay d over dx, f of x plus a negative sign, d over d of dx and g of x. So ayan po yung ating formula sa ating sum and difference rule. So ito po yung ating example. Y equal 2x5 minus 3x. So what we need to do is i-distribute po ulit natin yung ating given dun sa ating formula. So dy over dx equal 2 times 5. Ayun po yung value ng ating times 5 x 5 minus 1. So what we need to do sa ating given is gagamit po tayo ng power rule sa ating given. So minus 4. Ibaba po natin yung 5 doon sa ating x sapagkat ayun po yung rule natin. Pagkababa po natin ng 5 doon sa ating x, itataas po natin yung exponent ng x magiging 5 minus 1. Then, ganoon din po sa kabila, 4 times 1, ibaba po natin yung exponent ni x, magiging 4 times 1. Then, babawasan po natin yung exponent niya ng 1, it will be x raised to the power of 1 minus 1. So, next process po is 10x 4 minus 4x0. Paano po naging ganyan? So, yung ating 4 ay nanggaling po sa 5 minus 1 and yung ating 0 po ay nanggaling po sa 1 minus 1. Then, after the next process is 10x 4 minus 4, 1. Lagi po ating tandaan na si x po ay mayroong variable na 1. Kaya po, ila-times natin siya kay 1. So, our answer will be dy over dx equal 10x4 minus 4. Ganyan lang po kadali yung ating sum and difference kung susundan po natin yung formula natin. So, our next rule is the product rule. Yan. So, our product rule, according to the product rule of derivatives, if the function of f of x is the product of two functions, u of x and v of x. So, this is our formula po sa ating product rule. d over d of x equal v respect to the power of d over d of x u plus u d over respect to the x and v. So, ito po yung ating example dyan. F of x equal 5x plus 2 times 4x minus 2. Ayan po yung ating example. So, hatiin po natin siya sa dalawa para makuha po yung value ni u and yung value po ni v. So, this is the first given is our u and the second given is our v. So, let's use our formula. So, according to our formula, ang unahin po natin ay ang ating u, the 5x plus 2, then d over dx respect to the x po. Then, bababa po natin yung ating v, the 4x minus 2 plus, bababa po natin yung ating v, 4x minus 2 respect to the x, then 5x plus 2. So, after po na yan, pwede na po natin sagutan yung ating given problem. So, 5x plus 2, bababa po natin yung 5x plus 2, then 4 times 1. Paano po naging ganyan? Si x po, katulad po ng ginawa natin doon sa ating sum and difference rule, si x po ay meron po siyang value na 1 or the exponent of 1. Ibababa po natin yung exponent niya para maging 4 times 1. Then yung x po, yung exponent niya po ay babawasan natin ng isa. So it will be 4 times 1x raised to the power of 1 minus 1 minus 0. Eh paano po siya naging 0, Kuya Arnel? Kaya po siya naging 0 kasi siya po ay constant. So yung constant number po natin ay magiging 0 lagi. So next, baba po ulit natin yung 4x minus 2. Then, ulitin na po natin yung process natin kanina. 5 times 1, baba po natin exponent ni x na 1. Then, babawasan po natin yung exponent ng 1. So, it will be 5 times 1x raised to the power of 1 minus 1 plus 0. Sapagkat yung 2 po natin ay constant number, so magiging 0 po siya. So, i-continue po natin yung ating process. So, baba po natin yung 5x plus 2. So, yung gagawin po natin dito ay ayusin na po natin yung ating given. So, ito po ay 4x0. Paano po siya naging 4x0? 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Then x raised to the power of 0. 1 minus 1 is 0 po. Plus 4x minus 2 times 5x raised to the power of 0 sapagkat 5 times 1 equal to 5 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 po. Kaya po siya naging 0. So, natanggalin na po natin yung 0 niya sapagkat constant na po sila. So, next process po natin is our multiplication part. So, i-multiply na po natin ito para makakuha po tayo ng ating sagot. So, 5 times 5x times 4 equal to 20x. Then, 2 times 4 equal to 8 plus 4 times 4x times 5 equal 20x. Then, 2 times 5 equal to 10. Then, yung mga sign po natin is aayusin po natin kung negative po siya, ay negative siya. Kung positive po siya, ay positive po siya para hindi po mamali yung sagot natin. So, our next answer, so our final answer is 40x minus 18. Paano po siya naging 40x? Sapagkat yung ating similar number or the similar given, 20x plus 20x, add lang po natin, magiging 40x po. Then, 8 plus 10 equal 18, then copy the negative sign, it will be 40x minus 18. So, ayun po yung pagkuha or yung process sa pagkuha po ng ating product rule. And sana po ay may natutunan po kayo sa aking lesson. And hope ay makapagturo pa po ako ng iba't ibang lesson sa basic calculus. And once again, I am Arnella Cruz, your teacher for today's video. Bye-bye!